We have Pratik Makhwana.
In the most simplest of terms, मेरा काम है लैब में बच्चे बनाना.
How can a parent introduce the basic idea of sex education to their children?
This topic is something every parent look forward to, especially being a boy mother. This is something we also need a clarity.
ये ऐसी कॉन्वर्सेशन है जो बच्चे और पेरेंट्स साथ में बैठ के भी देख सकते हैं.
It starts from schools. The major impact points are always parents and teachers. हमेशा boys को class के बाहर भेज देते हैं.
Correct.
Why people see menstruation as something which is impure?
My son is 10 years. तो मैंने उसको menstruation I've introduced to him. I've spoke to him very openly about it.
So it's very important, I think, as a parent to be aware of what your kid is watching. It's not just a cartoon. There is a lot happening at the subconscious and conscious level.
लड़कों को अलग बिठाओ, लड़कियों को अलग बिठाओ.
Right.
So the division is already done now.
If they explore it before you, it means it was supposed to be hidden. As a parent, how will you handle when your boy comes to you and he tells you that I like someone?
It was not easy. When I had that conversation, I would be lying if I say it was a cakewalk. No, it wasn't.
Guys को erections आएंगे. अब रात में सो रहे हो, nightfall हो जाएगा.
How do you not fall prey to what your friends have to say about the first experience of masturbation?
There's nothing wrong with masturbation. It's absolutely normal. Ejaculation से assisted जो guilt आता है लोगों को. When the government tried to incorporate sex ed in schools. When they started it, it was the parents across the country who revolted against the idea.
Oh.
कि हमको ये सब नहीं सिखाना हमारे बच्चों को.
Hello, we have Pratik Makhwana. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
I'm doing amazing. Firstly, I want to congratulate you for all the amazing interviews that you have been giving, not just your work in terms of the hospitals, in terms of medical field, in terms of this very category that you have created, not just as a content creator, but also as a professional.
First off, thank you for having me on this podcast. I think हमने काफ़ी टाइम से बात की है इस बारे में. I'm an embryologist and IVF specialist. In the most simplest of terms, मेरा काम है लैब में बच्चे बनाना.
भाई इसका टी-शर्ट बनाते हैं. मैं लैब में बच्चे बनाता हूँ.
Yeah,
Nice.
so
Very nice way of putting
Yeah,
it.
actually.
Today I thought the reason why I did not invite kids, because we thought if you want to start of the very era of sex education, we should do it in a way which makes us feel safer. So that's why to understand what happens to a boy, you need to know the mother, you need to know the father. So that's why we have two amazing mothers of two amazing sons, Laksh and Mehan. Congratulations, you have been baptized. First time debut हो गया है parents का. How are you feeling?
We are feeling happy and excited both.
Yeah.
And since we have him on the panel, even more excited to get a lot of our queries sorted.
Amazing.
Absolutely. A lot of exchange of ideas and learning.
Yes.
That's what we're looking
Yes,
forward. And thank you so much for inviting us, Sid.
I'm
Yes,
glad that they
thanks a
said
lot.
yes. Like पूछ लिया फटक से हाँ बोल दिया. तो भाई पहले
Because,
कौन ना बोलेगा?
this topic is something every parent look forward to,
Yes.
especially being a boy mother. This is something we also need a clarity.
Yeah.
So we are thankful that you decided on this.
Amazing. I'm glad this is happening.
but also it's very refreshing to see parents actually take that step. So
Yeah.
that's amazing. I
Right.
mean, I was concerned कि parents हाँ बोलेंगे नहीं बोलेंगे.
ये तो अगर ये समझो अगर ये स्कूल में होता तो जाते आप.
Of course, why not?
Great.
Definitely.
I'll tell you from my view, why I was very curious, because I have already introduced. My son is 10 years. तो मैंने उसको menstruation I've introduced to him. I've spoke to him very openly about it. He is very well aware what is sanitary pads, what are menstrual cups, everything he's aware about. And the reason for me to do that was more on a psychological part. I wanted him to understand a women body, because at that time I used to go through extreme pain. मुझे बहुत mood swings होते थे. तो मैंने उसको at early age समझाया था कि this is what I feel as a woman. So the mindset was कि अगर वो मुझे समझ पा रहा है ना, तो he'll start respecting and understanding women around him.
Yeah.
So that was the very point this entire topic started. तो ये कहीं पे भी discuss होता, school में or anywhere, I would have been more than keen to know further about it. That how do I talk and speak and introduce further to him.
And with me,
Beautiful.
Laksh being a very curious child, he's a voracious reader. As we know, we are in the digital age. Kids get access to so many platforms on social media. In fact, personally, as a parent, I have been very careful about what he has been watching when it even comes to cartoons. There are many cartoons, even if you have a safety, a child lock facility, there are many cartoons where women are literally objectified with the looks, with the body structure. So it's very important, I think, as a parent to be aware of what your kid is watching. It's not just a cartoon. There is a lot happening at the subconscious and conscious level. So, anyways, our kids are entering into the stage where they need to be aware and educated.
Yeah,
So, I
absolutely.
think it's the need of the hour for every parent to watch.
Great. I'm glad that we are on the same page कि हमें सीखना है कुछ आज. और ये कॉन्वर्सेशन बस बच्चों के लिए, मतलब बस पेरेंट्स के लिए नहीं है, बट ये ऐसी कॉन्वर्सेशन है जो बच्चे और पेरेंट्स साथ में बैठ के भी देख सकते हैं. सो लेट जस्ट stick that into our mind and move forward. Firstly, bhai, I want to start off with this very question, which I wish I had asked my own mother, which is that how do I understand the boundaries of my own body?
Okay, so that question in itself is a very big question. You
Yeah.
know, it has to be divided into parts. Because we started with menstruation and the knowledge about it in school. One thing that really happens, why people see menstruation as something which is impure, why that mindset has been developed and still exists, it starts from schools. Like I've always said that the major impact points are always parents and teachers. स्कूल में कभी भी मेंस्ट्रुएशन के ऊपर कुछ भी बात होती है फॉर यंग गर्ल्स, फॉर पीपल एंटरिंग देयर टीन्स,
Right.
and even the older teens when they're in 11th 12th, so 16 17 years, हमेशा बॉयज को क्लास के बाहर भेज देते हैं
Correct.
कि हम लड़कियों से बात करेंगे.
Correct.
Yeah.
सो लड़के ना घर पे सीखते हैं ना स्कूल में सीखते हैं. तो बड़े होके अब जितना भी उन्होंने देखा है वो या तो फ़ोन्स पे देखा है या अपने दोस्तों से बातें करके सीखा है. दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन विल ऑलवेज बी हार्मफुल बिकॉज ना वो लोग सीख रहे हैं ना उनके दोस्त सीख रहे हैं.
Right.
So the only thing they're getting is from the media, from the movies that they're watching, and now they have phones in their hands. So everything is accessible. So the whole mindset which they have now is more damaging, and they build on it. If that's your foundation, that is the kind of content you will always gravitate towards rather
Right.
than actually learning. क्योंकि उससे मजा आ रहा है ना.
Hmm.
So, coming to your question, the boundaries start from a very basic level, you know, something that you should start learning. अपन घर ही बनाते हैं तो we build a foundation first.
True.
So with these, the boundaries also start over there. How you treat yourself, how you treat the other person, no matter how different they are from you. You know, बचपन में होता है ना कि लड़कों को अलग बिठाओ, लड़कियों को अलग बिठाओ.
Right.
So then, and then they keep fighting.
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
That's where the division is already done now. So by the time they grow up, वो हमेशा वो रहता है कि नहीं अरे वो लड़की है मैं लड़का हूँ. So that's something that we will now, I think through this podcast,
Yeah.
we will try and target specific points. Hopefully by the end of the podcast you'll have your answer.
Yeah, because I think like the very distinction that you said, लड़कियों को अलग बिठाना, लड़कों को अलग बिठाना, ये कुछ कॉलेजेस में भी होता है.
Yeah.
ये तो हम स्कूल्स की बातें कर रहे हैं, बट ये कॉलेजेस में भी होता है. And I feel once you understand there are boundaries between human beings, then we can't ever think of treating each other as a part of one cohort.
Yeah.
So that we can be a part of the same community and then we are talking. No, I have my own bubble, आपका अलग bubble है, हम अलग अलग है. So let's start off with that. I think asking you guys that question is very important as parents. You as parent, let's say you as a child, how was your conditioning when it comes to this topic? Was the very idea of menstruation or sex education introduced to you in your childhood?
No, not very early age. Like it was like a taboo thing. Nobody would discuss about it. So it was with friends that we discuss, and especially the girls, not even boys. We will talk out, we'll discuss it, and that is how I got to know about it. But luckily, I had my mom. She's very friendly with me. And she was very open about the idea that I should be aware about my body. I should be knowing about things. So I had one parent who was very approachable and I could talk to her. But that wasn't the case with everybody around me. I had my friends who will say, teri mom kitni cool hai. You could talk to her about all this. So no, it was not this comfortable to talk about. Even as you said, in school we were in very later grade that boys को बोलते थे नीचे पीटी लेक्चर है आप जाओ, हमको एक रूम में लेबोरेटरी रूम में
Yeah.
जाके बताया था, see this is sanitary pad, this is how you use it and all. Like it was not very comfortable conversation. We were not made very even the person who was explaining, it was not very on an open ground that we can ask question. There was the way of explanation was also with a boundary.
Yeah.
That was the scenario. So it was not like the way it is currently. And family pe ghar pe, yes, it was comfortable. I could talk to my mom about it. So that is my experience.
Beautiful.
Luckily with me, in fact, I come from a girls' convent school. So firstly, interaction with boys was to the minimal, and being the only child, the youngest among all the cousins, in a very safe and secured zone. But luckily, my parents were very open to the idea of discussing these topics at the right age. So both I remember the evening when my mom and dad sat with me and they educated me. And in fact, during the first menstrual cycle, apparently my mom was not at home. So it was my father whom I spoke with. So it has always been a very open communication environment at home. And I think that's what we are trying to do for our son
Yeah.
also.
That's
I have a-
wonderful.
I have a question. It's a very funny question.
Yeah.
Do you guys use code words
Yes.
in front of your sons and daughters? Sons? Like for example, मेरे घर पे code word is मला चालत नाही, which means मेरे को चलता नहीं है.
हाँ.
Like period है मतलब never nobody told me कि period है, नहीं
Mm.
period नहीं, मासिक पाली
No,
कुछ नहीं.
I as I told, I have to spoke very openly about it. तो ये code word, at least at my home it doesn't happen. In fact, 3 days before I give him a warning, see, my cycle is going to start, you better don't test my patience any
This
further.
is like English to my what? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? French to my ears, Spanish to my ears. I can't fathom it. हाँ.
Yeah, with Laksh, I think I had to introduce the topic to him. He's 9 now. So with him, when I just tell him I need to rest, I need to, I'm not keeping well. He feels it's just overexertion of work. Then he would come
Yeah.
up to me being very empathetic. Oh, mama, yes, you've been working till late night. It's okay, you
Yeah.
take rest. And he doesn't disturb me at all. So being a very empathetic child. But yes, when he sees sanitary pads at home, then he tells me that, Mama, it's your diaper, I think. So that innocence.
That's amazing.
No, with Nehan, that thing helped because I had
Yeah.
spoke about this with him now. So once what had happened, because these are things sometimes it's not planned for us as a women. कभी अचानक भी हमको हो जाता है. It's not that on the exact date you get it or something. So luckily because he was aware about it, तो मैंने वो Blinkit किया था, and he was the only one to collect the parcel. So he knew what that introduction that I did, it worked for me. He was prepared कि अगर ऐसा कुछ घर पे आता है तो he's not surprised what is mom doing,
Yeah.
why is this thing. It has been very much normalized to him at that age. So now I feel happy about it. Jab it was not easy. When I had that conversation, I would be lying if I say it was a cakewalk. No, it wasn't. But then I felt that I need to start. If I want that thing will continue, वो code language चलेगा घर पे कि ये topic पे बात नहीं कर सकते. Somebody had to lead it.
Okay.
So this is it. So one of the points that I actually heard, because it happens quite a lot, is that the people who teach the students in school, young students specifically, because बड़े होते होते when they go through their first cycle में थोड़ा stress में रहते हैं, second धीरे धीरे करके they understand, but the younger people जिनको classroom में बताते हैं, even those people haven't learnt it properly.
Yeah.
Right.
So that
yes.
keeps trickling down.
True.
ना उनको सिखाया, अब वो जैसे उन्होंने सीखा था छुप छुप के, अब वैसे वो दूसरों को सिखा रहे हैं. This will keep going on. So that is the point, that's why I said the teachers have to be targeted. They have to learn so that they can teach their students. Otherwise, even in bio की class में भी जब reproductive वाला chapter आता है,
Correct.
because the students have never been exposed to it. They will just look at the diagrams and they will start laughing.
Right.
The teacher will look to quickly wrap up the chapter and move on to the next one. So if the teachers don't know how to dispense the knowledge to the kids,
Right.
how will the kids learn?
Yeah.
Exactly. Very true.
And there's something that we have seen when the government tried to incorporate sex ed in schools. Abhi hai kuch schools mein there's like a sex ed in different classes they have different grades of teaching, but it's very superficial. I
Hmm.
mean नहीं भी रखते तो चलता है. It's like it's
More
not
like a
helpful.
formality.
Like a formality.
But when they started it,
Mm-hmm.
they actually had a very good idea in mind.
Okay.
But it was the parents across the country who revolted against the idea.
Oh.
कि हमको ये सब नहीं सिखाना हमारे बच्चों को.
Okay.
What was it
Yeah.
about? Like, what did it actually entail?
So sex ed, people get confused when अभी किसी को लेमन को जिसको नहीं आइडिया उसको सेक्स एड बोलेंगे, द फर्स्ट थिंग विल कम सेक्स के बारे में सिखा रहे हैं.
Mm.
बट दैट्स जस्ट वन पार्ट ऑफ इट. देयर इज सो मच. देयर इज अनाटमी, आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स,
Right.
how
Exactly.
how your body parts will change with age.
Mm.
जब प्यूबर्टी आएगी तब क्या क्या बॉडी में डिफरेंसेस आएंगे अभी से, how to handle them,
Correct.
how to make your own boundaries, how to say if someone's making you uncomfortable and you have to go and speak to a person who makes you feel comfortable so you can
Right.
talk about it.
Right.
लेकिन काफी सारे लोग शेम में ही रह जाते हैं.
Yeah.
बच्चे
Yes.
डर लग जाता है कि हम किसको
Yes.
बोलेंगे, हमको ही डांट पड़ेगी.
Yes.
Mm.
True.
So all of these things they are a part of sex ed. पार्ट क्योंकि आइडिया यही है कि नाम में सेक्स एड है तो सेक्स के बारे में होगा
बारे
तो
में.
हमको बच्चों को नहीं सिखाना.
बिल्कुल.
So then the government had to cut down on the material and now it's practically just useless at this point.
In fact, it would have been like if you said all the topics have been covered, it would have been very informational for the kids to learn
Yeah.
about it. I mean, it's not just one thing, as you said.
Yeah, it's a whole. When we talk about holistic well-being, if you don't teach them about sexual education, how are you saying that it's a holistic well-being? वैसे
Yeah.
भी schools curriculum तो बहुत change करने की ज़रूरत है. I mean, अभी सब subjects ही पढ़ाते
I
हैं
think that is
socially.
where we see like the most amount of opportunity, because even with the advent of NEP, I don't see much of the difference.
Yeah.
वो भी because across schools वो standardization भी नहीं है. And I see that in the schools that I visit. But that being a different case, we'll come back to the teachers part. The first part, let's start with the basic psychology, the basic teachings, the basic conditioning of a parent.
Yeah.
Suppose you're a parent. You want to tell your kid about what's happening to you, but you don't know how. How can a parent introduce the basic idea of sex education to their children? What do you think?
Okay, so this we can divide in parts. Okay, so if your child is very small, I think the best way is to start very early. Because हम कोई भी सब्जेक्ट लेते हैं, be it maths, हम फर्स्ट डे से तो उसको नहीं बोलेंगे कि अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व कर.
Yeah.
उसको पहले 1 + 1 2 + 2
Basics.
सिखाएंगे.
Right.
So it starts at a very young age. So when your child starts going to preschool, nursery, KG, whatever, सबके हर board का has a different way of saying it. That's when you start. But at that time, you choose your words in a manner कि उनको ज़्यादा heavy नहीं लगे. So all you teach them at that point is, अगर कोई तुमको touch कर रहा है, तो what's a good touch, what's a bad touch, and teach them about parts कि हाँ these are the parts यहाँ पे कोई friendly touch होगा तो कैसा होना चाहिए, and these are the parts जहाँ पे touch होगा तो तब तुमको आगे हमको बताना है. उनको वो पता होना चाहिए कि अगर कुछ ऐसा हो तो हम जाएं किसके पास. हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी, अब करें क्या इसका.
Right.
So then they have to feel comfortable to come back to you and tell about, to talk about it. अगर वो comfort नहीं होगा तो फिर there's no point of that information.
True.
तो वहाँ से we start. As they grow, now when they have entered say 6 to 9 years वाला जो bracket आ गया age का, before pre-teens, 9 के बाद तो 11-12 में they go into pre-teen age. तो 6 to 9 वाले में you can start teaching them a little more. Now you can start using words like private body parts.
Right.
कौन से हैं, and अगर तुम्हें कोई टच कर रहा है, तुम्हें नहीं पसंद आ रहा है, तो now you double down on the information that you have already taught them. तो आपका फाउंडेशन बन चुका है. Then you say no. हमको आके बोल दो कि मम्मी मुझे नहीं पसंद वो ऐसे टच कर रहे हैं. So next time you'll also take care, because parents need to support their children. काफ़ी बार होता है कि parents बहुत unfortunate है, but काफ़ी टाइम घर के ही लोग
Yes.
they get involved in such things, and
Yes.
parents then don't take their side. Parents like कोई नहीं बेटा ऐसा करके हटा देते
They
हैं.
take it very lightly.
Yeah,
It's
or
okay,
they don't
just
acknowledge
ignore.
it.
Exactly.
So kids should not feel blamed.
Blamed. Right.
They should not feel it's their mistake.
Right.
So when you अपने foundation बना दी, now you teach them again पहले आपने अनसेफ और सेफ बताया था, अब उनको बताओ कि अनसेफ क्यों है, बिकॉज दीज आर योर प्राइवेट बॉडी पार्ट्स. टीच देम अबाउट ह्यूमन अनाटमी. यूज मेडिकल, बिकॉज हम लोग, मेरे घर में क्या था, दे यूज टू टीच मी बहुत छोटी एज से, एंड वो सारे मेडिकल वर्ड्स होते थे.
Right.
यू नो, लाइक वर्ड्स लाइक पीनस, वल्वा, वेजाइना, हम लोग के लिए मेडिकल टर्म्स है. दीज आर नॉट वल्गर टर्म्स फॉर अस. ये हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक्स में होते हैं.
Right.
It's true.
अब वो एनवायरनमेंट ऐसा हो गया है कि इनको भी गंदा बोलते हैं, बट these are not, this is what a body is.
Body
If
is.
you have
That's the
fingers,
way human
the
body
same
is.
way you have
Yeah.
penises.
Correct.
True.
It's just a body part. The problem is that parents वो ही करने से थोड़ा डर जाते हैं.
Hmm.
So at an age where now you know that they will have phones in their hands, अभी की generation specifically, 8-9 तक तो सब फ़ोन ले ही लेते हैं. 8-9
Right.
एज तक के पास फ़ोन होते हैं, उनके दोस्तों के पास फ़ोन होते हैं. अगर वो आपसे नहीं सीखेंगे, वो किसी और से सीखेंगे.
Yeah.
Right.
If they explore it before you, it
Yeah.
means it was supposed to be hidden.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And when they explore it in that manner,
Yeah.
तो वो ना तो आपको क्या बताएंगे, बिकॉज उनको पता है कि आपने कोई बात नहीं की है वो. एंड द सेम वे, अब वो जो भी देखेंगे, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो ना कि क्या सर्च करना है इसके बारे में.
Correct.
वो तो जो दोस्त दिखा रहे हैं या जो फर्स्ट चीज़ें टाइप करते आ रही है,
Correct. Correct.
दैट्स द कंटेंट दैट दे विल कंज्यूम, एंड दैट्स रियली हार्मफुल.
Right.
सो वंस दे नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन राइट एंड रॉन्ग, वंस दे नो अच्छा ये बॉडी पार्ट है, ये चीज़ें मुझे नहीं करनी है, ये इसके लिए मुझे मना है, एंड ऐसा कुछ होता है, कैन कम एंड टॉक. लाइक my parents would not scold me, my parents would not sort of go against me, they will rather help me, they help me understand. Then they will be able to separate at that age right from wrong. This is still 9 years of
Yeah.
age.
Yeah.
So I want to hear your thoughts about this, then we'll go आगे की age group पे.
So I think what you're trying to say is we create that safe environment for them back home, that any topic for them, like they can approach us and they discuss about it, whether it's not particularly about sex education, but in general about their body also. We create that safe environment that they can discuss.
Hmm.
Very much in sync with what you have shared, and I think with my son that's what we practice. So every day at night, how much ever tired we are, I ensure that we have our time with the child, and this is when my son says it's the best time in his entire day. Secret talks, we can
Yeah.
talk everything under the roof. So that's very essential. And yes, at an early age, as you rightly shared, that's how we had made him aware about deciding his boundaries, understanding his body, and learn to say no. You don't have to be a people pleaser,
Yeah.
because more than 80% cases do happen in the family boundaries itself. So anytime, I think he's been very vocal about it from a very early age. If anybody's trying to play around, especially with boys, what happens is they are programmed in such a way that even if a boy is crying, the first comment that is made, why are you crying like a girl?
Yeah.
Can't
That
boys
is-
cry? I mean, it's a natural emotion. So they get programmed in such a way that when it comes to a boy, okay, even if somebody's touching me on my private part, I have to stay numb, which is not right. A
Yeah.
girl can still reach out to her mother and speak. So I think creating that safe and comfort zone, what you mentioned, is very,
Very
very
important.
essential.
Let's imagine, like, it's not just about we are talking very randomly in terms of boys and girls. Let's just suppose कि you are a mother or a father of a daughter and a son.
Yeah.
Now it's a very tricky case because you have to educate both the sides from both the ends. इसमें केस में क्या इशू, इसमें क्या होता है?
At that age group, the information that you give has to be similar. क्योंकि अभी आप बेस बना रहे हो, बेस दोनों का बनेगा, दोनों का सेम बेस बनेगा, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ दे लर्न. साइंस तो वही है जो है, आप लड़के को बताओ या लड़की को बताओ या किसी को भी
Correct.
बताओ,
Yeah.
साइंस वोंट चेंज.
Yeah.
So you start teaching no matter if you have a boy, no matter if you have a girl. Same advice can be applied to both.
Hmm.
It's when they start growing, when they reach a certain age. Ab 9 years के बाद they'll start seeing changes in their body.
Right.
Depending on how soon, how their hormones work, puberty जल्दी आ रहा है, late आ रहा है,
Hmm.
वो changes आने शुरू हो जाएंगे.
Correct.
Behavior change होना शुरू हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा
Right.
irritability आ जाएगी before
Right.
the puberty comes. Now you start to talk to them differently about what they'll experience.
Hmm.
So boys will experience different things. हेयर ग्रोथ होगी, they will
Right.
get the urge to masturbate क्योंकि
Right.
उस वक्त that feeling starts now, you know, because now they'll see an erection happening and they'll be like ये क्या, this is new,
Right.
and because they don't know what it
They
is,
don't know.
they will talk to their friends क्योंकि वो
Yeah.
पेरेंट्स से आके बात करने में सबको डर लगता है, और डर इसलिए लगता है क्योंकि कंफर्टेबल नहीं है.
Correct.
अगर कंफर्टेबल होंगे तो पहले पेरेंट्स को आके पूछेंगे
Correct. They have the fear. Parents डांट तो नहीं लेंगे.
पेरेंट्स क्या सोचेंगे,
क्या
आप
सोचेंगे,
मुझे कुछ
yeah.
बोल देंगे ऐसा.
Yeah.
सो उनको वो बताना कि अब यू नो इट्स चेंजिंग नाउ, एवरीबडी विल गो इन देयर ओन सेपरेट मैनर. तुम्हारी आवाज़ क्रैक हो रही है, किसी की नहीं हो रही है, तो मजाक भी उड़ाते हैं इसकी आवाज़ भी
बराबर,
पतली
right.
ना पतली आवाज़ है या
हम्म,
लड़की जैसी
हम्म,
आवाज़.
Hmm.
इट्स अ टू pronged अटैक, बिकॉज एक तो यू आर telling the boy that you sound like a girl, and then you are saying that being a girl or sounding like a girl is bad.
Correct.
So now you are attacking both
Both.
the boy and the girl with that one taunt. So वो information, now similar information will be given to the girls. कि puberty आ रही तो क्या क्या changes आएंगे. You can get your period. You'll start teaching them about periods now. Before the teens come, before the puberty comes, not when it happens.
Yeah.
Right.
Because वो डर first cycle पे आएगा. अगर उनको
Correct.
पता होगा या आइडिया होगा, they were aware कि हाँ ऐसा हो सकता है कुछ सालों में, तो they will be more prepared. They will be aware कि हाँ, no, our body is going through that change. You know, so these are things that we have to start talking as the age increases.
Right.
And at that point of time, जब हाथ में फोन आ गया है, then you also have to show them, बताना पड़ेगा कि क्या चीज़ें सही हैं, क्या चीज़ें तुम्हें नहीं देखनी. You will have to put parental controls, of course, because you cannot always control what your
True.
child is doing.
Correct.
तो parental controls तो आप लगाओगे ही, but you also have to उनको मतलब you have to sort of communicate it to them कि कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो गलत हैं. These, so इसलिए हम medical terms use करते हैं, so we don't use slangs
Yeah.
Right.
while teaching, because slang सिखाओगे तो फिर वो दोस्तों से बोलेंगे, दोस्त बोलेंगे अरे हम तो कुछ और दिखाते हैं, you know,
Got
be it
it,
boy, be
yes.
it girl. So in this case, when you start teaching them कि हाँ your body will go through changes, you know, you will see changes, जिसको अब तुम पहले private part बता रहे थे, now you will say, now you will see changes in your reproductive organs,
Yeah.
genital organs.
Right.
उसकी बहुत सारे बुक्स हैं, बहुत सारा मटेरियल है. there's a website called amaze.org, तो वो चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली इलस्ट्रेशंस बनाते हैं.
Okay.
तो उसके थ्रू एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो कि ये जो तुम्हारा बॉडी पार्ट है इसको पीनस बोलते हैं. अब वो जब वो इमेज देखेंगे तो उनको वो
Right.
ग्राफिक इमेज नहीं आएगी, बिकॉज इस एज पे ग्राफिक इमेजेस नहीं दिखा सकते आप.
सकते बराबर.
तो आपको इलस्ट्रेशन, किड
Why do you
फ्रेंडली
think so?
इलस्ट्रेशन,
Graphic images नहीं दिखा सकते.
बिकॉज इट्स टू मच टू टेक ना. तुम यू नो यू टू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अप. अभी तुम लाइक आई सेड, जब तुम फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में होते हो, सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड में होते हो, तुम्हें अगर क्वांटम फिजिक्स सिखाने लग जाएंगे, तुम बोलोगे क्या बकवास है, मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Yeah.
It just won't hit you. कॉलेज
Yeah.
वालों को भी नहीं आएगा वैसे तो, पर ठीक है. So but you have to start with illustrations that are friendly to them.
Right.
Even for menstruation, there's one of my friend, she has her own thing, it's called Menstrupedia.
Yeah, I've seen that
Yeah.
episode on Shark Tank.
So she has these books,
Yeah.
and I've worked on a book with another person. It's called Period Room. It's for ages 11 to 16.
Okay.
तो उसमें पेरेंट्स के साथ कॉन्वर्जेशन, फ्रेंड्स के साथ कॉन्वर्जेशन सब इलस्ट्रेटेड है. सो यू लर्न, यू नो, लाइक for those illustrations, because those are kid friendly illustrations.
Yeah. I think storytelling also helps.
Storytelling helps, of
Yeah.
course, like you give examples. Now what happens is they are learning, but they are also not seeing any graphic images, so they are not associating it with something bad. They're
Correct.
learning in a positive manner.
Correct.
That is very important, especially तो girls हो या boys हो, उनको 9-10 तक की एज तक तो सब सेम ही बताना होता है.
Right.
उसके
Right.
बाद it starts changing.
Changing.
But the girls also need to learn what boys are going through. The boys need to learn what girls will go through.
Yeah. Let's consider the ages between the 10 to 15.
Hmm.
What is something that a girl needs to understand what is happening to a boy, and a boy needs to understand what's happening to a girl, because that is a phase when a lot
Yes.
changes for both of them.
Yes, absolutely. One of the first things that happens is जब लड़की को सिर्फ अपने बारे में बताएंगे, लड़के को अपने बारे में बताएंगे, they will not embrace diversity.
Right.
Now gender roles are changing.
Yeah.
Now there are so many genders. Biological sex is different, gender is different.
Different.
अभी ये बच्चों को समझ नहीं आएगा at this age. तो अभी all you have to tell them is that everyone is different, and everyone is okay being different. Like you have to embrace how everyone is different. So in this case, if a girl is going through her changes, that's okay, that's different, but you have to embrace it and you have to respect it. Similarly for the girl, कि अगर उसकी आवाज़ क्रैक हो रही है, उसके इतने इतने बाल आ रहे हैं, या हाइट एकदम से लंबी हो गई है, कि पहले तो एक साल अप्रैल में इतना था, समर वेकेशन के बाद आया, यू नो, एक फुट बढ़ गया.
Correct.
So फिर वो मजाक बनाना शुरू कर देते हैं
Yeah,
schools
yeah,
में, राइट? सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स जब उनको बताओगे कि डाइवर्सिटी इज एक्सेप्टेबल, they'll automatically start respecting everyone's changes. So that is something that has to be discussed with kids. सिर्फ खुद का बता के नहीं छोड़ सकते.
बराबर.
समझा.
And on the other end also, like, I went through this problem a lot because as a man I never knew what I wanted, like what is something that provides me that mental pleasure, that okay, I'm actually happy at this very state, the way I'm being touched,
Yeah.
the way I'm being caressed on specific part of my body. This is where, you know, I feel the most amount of happiness, and it took me years to understand. And I wish I had I'd had that communication, because as a child, whatever you hide from expressing is something that your parents couldn't communicate in the first place. You tell us, you both, as parents, what are those things that you find it truly hard to communicate as parents with your children?
At this moment, in the preteen stage that my son is, definitely I was looking out for resources, and in fact planning to buy the comic books from Menstrupedia to educate him about what procedure happens, what changes happens in the body when it comes to the menstrual cycle. One fear, definitely, what I see here is gaining knowledge from friends who themselves don't know enough. The kids are in the exploration stage at this
Yeah.
moment. It's very risky, rather than me not talking about it to him. And I think both the parents should be equally involved in the conversation, because usually in most of the Indian families especially, it is एक mindset, again conditional programming रहता है in every area of life. लड़के ने कुछ गलत किया, लड़की या लड़का, so it's the mother who is blamed, even in well educated families.
Yeah, even in my
And-
family.
Yeah. और
लड़का
कुछ
तो करेगा
अच्छा
ही.
किया तो वो तो पापा पे गया है.
हाँ.
So that conditional formatting, first of all, should be broken in every area. And I think both parents equally need to participate when it comes to discussion on such topics.
Is that a mistake that you made?
Yeah, I think I'm more involved.
You
with
missed out on
Laksh.
that?
Yes. That my parents were involved, but definitely here, usually it's like he's more friendly and he opens up and speaks everything under the roof. But definitely, I'm ensuring that my husband is equally a part of it now,
Yeah.
because in school they have started talking about early understanding your body, the human anatomy, and also sex education has begun already. So he openly comes and discusses, because I'm working from home most of the time. So presence is very strong. Mother is available.
Yeah.
Dad is busy. Dad
Yeah.
comes home late night. Yeah. But I think even the fathers have to take that responsibility overall. It shouldn't be
Absolutely,
just the mother.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Like it goes on to both the parents.
Correct.
But now that I think your kid is also in preteen stage now.
Yeah, they're both 10. They are the
Yeah.
same age
Yeah.
we have.
What is your biggest fear now? Because now they're reaching a stage where I'm sure they have phones.
Yeah, that is the
Yes,
fear I
that
have
is-
as a mother, that I'm explaining. And in my case, even my partner is involved. We have made him understand a lot of things from women perspective and from the men perspective. His body, good touch, bad touch, everything has been introduced to him. My concern as a parent is more about what you're saying, his exposure to other things. I'm so sure not all his friends would be on the same page. वो शायद उसको ये सारी गलत information भी दे सकते हैं, and he'll start getting knowledge from things, sources which is not correct.
Yeah.
So that is a major concern as a mom for me, and the fear that I need to teach him as a man to respect women and their body, in every aspect. तो वो कैसे उसको हर बार that exposure, and to keep it safe, that he should not do something wrong. That is a major fear as a mother, especially as a boy mother. That fear is always there in your mind,
Yeah.
because you always want that he should not be doing anything wrong to other women,
Correct.
and that can only happen if he's aware, if
Yeah.
I've spoke about very openly to him. So that fear is always there with me.
Okay, so I'll say one thing. Okay,
Yeah.
यहाँ पे there's something that is counterintuitive in this case. when you are so scared of what your child will learn from other people, you start restricting your child to information that he will receive from or she will receive from other people. That again sets the mindset, अच्छा मुझे ये करने से रोक रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
So now they'll
yeah.
actively seek it.
Yeah. Revenge consumption.
तो जो सिखाया था,
It's
now
like
it'll
whatever you
turn against you.
what you resist is what you persist.
Person.
So in this case, what happens is कि आपको सिखाना तो है ही, और you want that they should not learn from them. At this age, अब 12-14 वाली एज आने वाली है, they will also start liking other people.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Right. Yes.
So now you start talking about relationships.
Right.
Start talking about consent. जो हमने 3 साल पे start किया था safe और unsafe से, अब वो change आएगा consent में.
Correct.
कि how to respect when someone else says no. अभी तक हम उसको no बोलना सिखा रहे थे.
Correct.
अब कोई और मना कर रहा है तो उसको कैसे रेस्पेक्ट करना है, बिकॉज तुमने सीख लिया, अब तुम्हें वो दूसरे के व्यू पॉइंट से भी देखना है.
In fact,
True,
connected
very
to what you shared last week, only my son had come up to me and he was sharing about his friends, their secret talks, and this boy likes that girl. So
Yeah.
indirectly, then he asked me, "Is it okay? Is it okay at this age?" I said, "Yeah, it's absolutely
Yeah.
okay.
Let's
It's
go,
natural." So yes, then gradually, then we started having an open conversation because
Yeah.
then I knew where it was heading to.
Yeah.
But definitely, what you mentioned, it's okay even if the other person
Yeah.
does not like you. That's fine. You need to know how to accept.
Yeah,
it.
also-
But how? Sorry to cut you off. How can you, as a parent, how will you handle when your boy comes to you and he tells you that I like someone at
Yeah.
at the age of 10, 12, 13? But
Yeah.
because it might happen, right?
Of course, it's bound to happen because the kind of environment now exists.
Yeah.
Right.
The exposure to these things is much more,
Yeah.
and you become cooler if you have a partner that
Correct.
early, right? In
Yeah.
your school, in
Yeah,
your
yeah,
group,
yeah.
you're like the cool person.
The mindset.
Yeah.
It's a mindset.
And
these
that you
days.
cannot control.
Yeah.
That's what you can control is how they perceive that mindset.
True.
Is it necessary? Is it important? So when you talk about relationships with your
Mhm.
kids, you don't talk about it in a romantic relationship manner. You talk about relationships they should have in their lives.
Correct.
Start talking about how your friend hai, this is the friend you like more. Okay. And you know you like अब because अब वो टाइम आएगा जब वो हाथ पकड़ के चलेंगे और छोटे छोटे बच्चे नहीं जो
Right. Right.
सो उसमें भी कंसेंट सीखना ज़रूरी है कि व्हेन इट इज़ ओके, व्हेन समवन इज सेइंग कि नहीं नहीं कल कर लिया, कल हाथ पकड़ा था आज नहीं पकड़ना, तो वो रिस्पेक्ट करना ज़रूरी है.
Correct.
कि मतलब कल हाँ बोला था, आज मना किया है, तो मना का मतलब है कि हाँ नहीं पकड़ना ही नहीं है, राइट, until you get the consent again. So these small things, you cannot stop them from liking someone.
Yeah.
That will happen. If you stop them, they just won't come and tell you. They will just
Exactly.
do it.
They'll
Very
just
true.
keep it a
Very
secret.
true.
So you take the information and then you relay it in a format कि उनको safe लगे कि हाँ हम कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Hmm.
Right.
These are some things that I think that they help the children, and there are so many resources available. There is an author, she has passed away now in 2024, Rosie Harper. She
I've
has
heard,
great
yeah.
books
Hmm.
for teaching parents how to talk about sex ed with their kids
Correct.
at what age.
Mm-hmm.
And there's one book that I had read, I'm forgetting the name. It's the book is called No Means No,
Mm-hmm.
and Secrets You Should Come and Tell Me. These are like 2 books by the same author, Janine Sanders. And these are amazing books for parents to read because these are the books that are made for parents who want to talk to their kids.
Right.
ये Amazon
Right.
वगैरह में मिल जाएगी, नहीं तो e-books तो मिल ही जाती है. Definitely I would want the people to go and check it out. And WHO has resources, amaze.org has resources in video format, तो अपने बच्चे को भी दिखा सकते हो
Okay.
कि साथ में बैठ के देखोगे तो it will be even better. Like you can then build on the foundation
Right.
जो पहले start हुआ था.
Right.
Plus at this age now the relationships have started, right? तो phone पे तो रहेंगे ही.
Hmm.
What you also have to teach them is images नहीं भेजनी है.
Correct. Yes.
Because उस वक्त
Right.
these are the things that happen. And
Right.
पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स में इन पर्सन तो हाँ बोलना ना बोलना सीख लिया है.
Hmm.
फोन पे कैसे? फोन पे तो इधर उधर
बराबर.
की बातें करके घुमा फिरा के तो बोल ही देते.
बोल ही देते हैं.
सो हाउ टू टेल देम नॉट टू सेंड इमेजेस, हाउ टू टेल देम कहाँ पे यू ड्रॉ अ लाइन,
Hmm.
all these things also have to be taught. And especially this age when they are early teens or preteens.
So I'm just curious to know, to understand from you, do you or any other experts conduct such workshops to educate parents and teachers? I think that is more important because knowledge sabhi ko hai,
It's a
lekin
need of an hour.
deliverables have to be
No, I'm
channelized.
sure there are. I don't conduct workshops
Okay,
right now
okay.
because it's just my field is currently dealing with parents who want kids.
Yes. But I think you can think on this
Yeah.
perspective
This
also.
can be an alternative profession. Please start doing workshop. We have a
Yeah.
lot of parents who are willing to enroll for it.
Broadening revenue source, right?
Yeah,
No,
we
I
give
think
you an
this
alternate source of
this
income.
is definitely in my mind. It has been around for a long time because when I talk to parents and especially people who are coming for a case of secondary infertility, which is first time they conceive naturally, but now they are having problems conceiving. So infertility can also develop after a successful pregnancy.
Okay.
So वो लोग आते हैं and then they think, so they also like talk about their history because in medical we say that history taking is an art. You learn anything you want to from the books. History taking you can only learn if you start talking to the patient. Otherwise you'll never learn. And how to take out the relevant information.
Right.
So when you talk to them, that's when I realize कि काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो अभी भी वो mindset change नहीं हुआ है. You know, so I definitely want to do this, but I'm sure there are a lot of people already doing it.
Yeah.
And I think you might be able to find them much quicker.
I was just going to say this might be the beginning, but I
Yeah.
think I'm still stuck in the part of the images scenario that you discussed because I feel that is where we go wrong, and I think as boys it has the broader impact on us, because the way we consume sex and everything on images on videos, the content shows us that we are the aggressive ones, we are dominant, we have the superiority towards that situation, and it reflects in the way we communicate with women also,
Yeah.
girls also. We feel that just because we are masculine we have muscles or we have things that they don't have,
Right.
Right.
we are superior, and that reflects in their communication. What do you think that impact is? Because that is
yeah.
what was shown in adolescence also.
Yeah,
The show.
Yeah, the show. I think सबसे पहले तो ना testosterone को थोड़ा you have to change the meaning of it.
Yeah.
Because it's perceived very negatively. Testosterone is now perceived as something which gives you aggression, which makes you feel कि oh मतलब you know like मैं ही मर दूं type वाला
Right.
hormone बना दिया इसको.
Right.
Boys, girls, males and females, they have testosterone. Both.
Right.
It's just the levels are different.
Yeah.
Mm.
Even
Exactly.
estrogen, both
Yeah,
of them have.
men also have estrogen. The levels are different, and they are all necessary hormones. They work in their own ways to promote fertility. That's the reproductive medicine bit of it. But what happens is जब उनको पता नहीं है कि how men are supposed to behave,
Mm-hmm.
so their source of information, how they should behave, will be those videos, will be how their friends are acting. And something is always in a lot of shows, in a lot of TV shows, even there was a version of Archie that had come, Riverdale or something.
Yeah.
Even college kids दिखा रहे थे उसके अंदर भी, and they also show that you know the guys talk amongst themselves कि अगर किसी लड़की ने image भेजी तो उसको भी दिखाएंगे, they can save it. We have seen a lot of these cases happen even in back in 2008-9. This MMS cases used to happen quite a lot at that time.
Yes, yes, it was.
Because समय
True.
social media था नहीं तो MMS ही होते थे.
Mm.
तो वो इसलिए होते थे because they don't know that if they are with someone,
Mm-hmm.
they don't know what conversation is private, what
Hmm.
conversation they have to keep within themselves. First is never send images, but the second is that चलो कर दी, you know, अब नहीं सीखे, you didn't learn about that and कर दी. So now what's the responsibility of both the partners towards each other? All this has to be taught really early before they enter their teenage.
Yeah.
Because teenage से जाते थे वो सब शुरू कर चुके होंगे.
Correct.
आपको
Actually.
नहीं पता होगा, but
Right.
start हो चुका होगा.
Right.
So this is how, you know, like for every parent, अब तो resources इतने आ गए, पहले तो नहीं थे, we can agree, but now internet is a very big place.
Right.
जितना positive है उतना negative भी है.
Right.
It's just that you have to find the positive so that when they learn, I was talking to some parents at some point, उन्होंने कहा था कि हम sex ed क्यों सिखाएं, वो you know हम sex ed की बातें करेंगे, इन सब चीज़ों की बातें, the same conversation. So the child won't they have sex early because now they know.
That is the problem that
That
I also
is-
face.
Yeah. So the thing is, they won't.
They would, I am sorry to interrupt,
Yeah.
but I feel they would explore any which ways. Even if you don't teach them,
Yeah.
their curiosity will be there and they are going to explore. So it should rather be that you guide them in the right manner. If they're exploring,
Yeah.
you as a backup, you're teaching them. I mean, that mindset of parents need to change.
Absolutely.
I think even if you're guiding it, you cannot control the perception of kids. I feel it's very fragile. So you have to keep on doing it over and over and over
Yeah,
and over.
that's
and
why we
again.
start early, no? We
Yeah.
start at 3 years of
Right,
age.
right.
It's just that information keeps on. जैसे कोर्स बढ़ता रहता है
बढ़ता
वैसे
है।
information बढ़ती रहती है. In this case, there has been quite a few studies on this, where people have had parents and children who have now grown or who have gone through a certain period of years learning, and then like long-term studies. People who have learned about sex ed at an early age actually had sex later.
They're
Then
wise enough
before.
to make their choices.
या एंड जो एक एनेक्डोट आता है उसमें कि अगर आप
हम्म।
बच्चे को स्विमिंग करना सिखाओगे
Hmm.
अच्छे से एज ही ग्रोज एज शी ग्रोज उसको सिखाओगे तो उसको पता होगा कि मुझे नदी में तो नहीं कूदना है
Correct,
क्योंकि उसको डेंजरस पता है.
correct.
सो व्हेन यू टीच them about sex ed as a whole, you know,
Right.
your body is changing, how your bodies will change, how your hormones will change, how your responses to stimulus will change.
Hmm.
They will also know कि
Hmm.
हमारे लिए क्या सही, because now they have been learning this from an age.
Yeah.
तो उनको पता है कि ये सही है ये सही नहीं है. And as they grow, as they cross the barrier of 14, now they've started coming 16 17 11 12th में आ गए हैं, कॉलेज जाने वाले हैं,
Right,
early एकदम late teens हैं,
right.
17 18 तक आ गए हैं. At that time when you you talk to them openly about sex. Now you start introducing the word.
Right.
Like you have built your whole story उसके ऊपर from a very young age. Now you start talking to them about sex also. You know, what is the legal age, what is the right way, if you're doing it, what are the chances of infections,
Right.
STIs के chances क्या हैं, protection क्या होता है, contraception क्या होता है, ये सब बातें अब शुरू होंगी. And इन सब से दे विल बी अवेयर कि जब हमको करना है तो दिस इज़ द एज कि हमको इसके बाद ही ट्राई करना है तो हमको इन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है. वो आपको बताएंगे नहीं कि किया है कि नहीं, बट जब वो करेंगे तब होपफुली वो उन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखेंगे जो
ध्यान
डिस्कस हुई है.
True.
What you
Yeah.
said is right because even in my organization, so when we are into mental health, basically as a counselor and as well as into healing, we get a lot of cases of the late teens where there are unexpected pregnancies from girls who are just like 15, 16. They must have had more than 8 to 10 boyfriends, and it's more of a competitive environment. If you're not seeing somebody at that point of time, they feel left out. The peer pressure is so high to become a cool girl or a cool boy,
Yeah.
you know. So loyalty towards partnership, it's too early. So definitely I think, and what Sid also had mentioned, family environment as parents also matter a lot. How you treat each other, I think that's very important.
Yeah. And these conversations are not one-off conversations. Like
Correct.
these भले ही रोज नहीं भी हो, but there should be at least a frequency of these conversations happening in a week or in a month, ताकि वो, you know, you keep adding on to it. You keep and it is never supposed to be in a manner that अच्छा ये कर दिया तो गलत हो जाएगा. ऐसा बोलोगे तो it will obviously like उनका वो rebel phase है.
Right.
They will go against it, especially जो 17 18 वाले 16 17 18 वाला टाइम होता है, because 17 पे usually people start going to colleges. So उस टाइम पे it's very important that it's always a positive feedback,
Mm.
you know, and it applies to both girls and boys because act दोनों करेंगे इस चीज़ के ऊपर, you know.
Yeah.
सो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐसी जानी चाहिए कि तुम कर रहे हो या कोई और करवा रहा है, दोनों केसेस में तुमको हैंडल करना आना चाहिए. अगर नहीं हुआ एंड इफ़ यू से डू समथिंग एंड देन यू रिग्रेट इट लेटर, you should be open enough, you should have that freedom and that liberty that you can come and tell us, and then we can take care of it as it seems fit. Even at an early age, if somebody, when we are teaching them about unsafe touch and safe touch, if that incident ever happens,
Mm.
at the first point, you,
Right.
even if you have felt even remotely uncomfortable,
Right.
you come and tell us.
Right.
वो liberty, वो freedom उनके mind में should be there, and it only comes with patience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's why the cases of PTSD the cases of people carrying that trauma over the years and years and years, and it reflecting in their own relationships.
Yeah.
uh, I think I have dated someone who carried that trauma for about 15 years.
Yeah.
And 15 years is a lot, because there are so many women who have told me that they have been physically abused by someone in their own family.
Yeah.
For me, it
And
was
very
unfathomable,
unfortunate,
yeah.
very unfortunate. And I wouldn't wish to happen to my the brutalist enemy. What would be your 2 cents around this topic? Because this needs to be talked about. Because I'm a boy who might see this happening to a girl. This might not be happening to me, but I'm not even saying that. But there's second cases that happens to boys also.
Yeah.
Yes.
The cases might be minimal, but it happens to boys also.
So when we talk about this information, right, when we give them a positive feedback, that enables them to come and discuss anything under the sun with you.
Right.
Right.
That you have to make them, you cannot if you have a boy and a girl, you cannot differentiate कि मैं इसको क्या बताऊंगा इसको क्या बताऊंगा, because वो उतने ही comfortable हो पाएंगे. So if a boy feels कि अगर मतलब वो अपने दोस्तों में तो ये बात होगी ही कि अरे तू लड़का है, तू रोता क्यों है, तू ऐसा,
Correct.
तो that also has to be countered by you.
Correct.
if रोज नहीं भी करो चलेगा, because you cannot do it, it's not feasible to do it every single day. But जब तक तो घर से दूसरी information आती रहेगी, that will make the child think, and then he'll realize even later or earlier in life, that's not in our control, but they will realize ke, what is the right step to take. When they're informed, they have the choice. When they're not informed, they will only go in one direction.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
And especially in cases like this, like you said, that's why there are a lot of cases that come to us who have infertility due to vaginismus. So vaginismus
that.
is a disease, is a condition where there's an involuntary contraction of vaginal muscles. So penetration cannot happen.
Okay.
इसके pathological causes भी होते हैं which can be treated. तो diseases हैं तो उनको treat कर सकते हैं and might cure the vaginismus. Majority of them are psychological causes due to previous trauma जो शायद बचपन में हुआ हो
Oh.
या later on in life हुआ हो, but it is carrying on for a longer time. So now the thought of sex repels them.
Right.
And the vaginal muscles will contract so hard that it'll be difficult to even get an ultrasound probe, because anything going inside will be traumatic. for them.
Traumatic.
It's a
right.
trauma response their
Yeah.
body gives.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the same PTSD that you were talking about. That's how it sort of manifests. For boys, it manifests as not being able to get an erection,
Right.
Yeah.
because
Right.
वो डर जाते हैं. They associate that erection with what happened in their childhood,
Right.
you know,
Right.
or in their younger age, or growing up in school, colleges, whatever. It can come at any point of time. This can happen to anyone at any age group, and it will sort of reflect later on in life as well. So in these two cases, we see that psychological causes exist more compared to any other cause.
True. In fact, to relate with, we had one of the cases where this gentleman, highly educated, working as a professional, more than 30 age, 30 to 32, love marriage बस होने ही वाला था. I mean, he was seeing some girl, very committed to her, but he was scared of his first night.
Yeah.
He had that impact, and because of which he was planning to cancel his marriage. More than 8 years they were dating. So during the sessions, then during counseling, we came to know that he was abused by one of his own grandfathers at a very early age. And it was, yeah, but thankfully now he's happily married. But yes, it does happen, and especially I think with boys, it becomes very difficult for them to express it out.
And trust me, when you have that conversation with someone, it changes so many things.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So many things.
Right.
This is a problem that even like boys have with other boys. The way a girl responds to those things with other girls and communication degree is so high. I don't think there is an iota of that communication that we do with other men and boys, and that is where the main problem happens.
Yeah.
We are not opening to the people who unabashedly talk about sex and all this, all that, porn and all this. But when
Yeah.
it comes to the psychological impact, we hesitate.
Yeah.
Um, on the same ground, as you mentioned, the very essence of erection. Uh, what is the average age that it happens to men, boys?
So it starts happening around puberty. Puberty is anywhere between 10 to 13 years of
10
age.
to 13 years.
For some people it comes a little early. For some people it can actually come late also.
For some people, it might have happened early, but they never noticed it.
Yeah, so there are something called nocturnal erections,
Got
which
it.
happens when
Okay.
you're sleeping.
Uh-huh.
Night falls.
Yeah, and they are nothing to do with the sexual dreams. It's just a body's way of, because body will treat all its parts equally.
Correct.
So just increasing blood flow to various organs.
Mhm.
But by puberty, you start noticing it.
Okay.
And like coming back to the point that you were talking about, how boys don't talk about feelings with other boys. Patriarchy has messed up both girls and boys.
Actually.
Yeah.
Boys could have messed up by saying that you have to stay strong,
Right.
Right.
and girls could have messed up by saying that you're supposed to be dependent on boys.
Right.
So now both the generations are
Suffering.
yeah.
Suffering because of
Thank
that.
you for. I was going to say some other word.
It's okay.
No, but
we
that's
do
a
not
truth.
have kids
That's
today.
a
Fact.
honest truth.
Yeah, that's a
I
fact.
think.
Yeah.
I think my main question that I was leading to was, what is the right way for their parents, for the parents to have the conversation about erection with boys?
I think the first point is that parents have to get comfortable about the idea of talking about erections.
Mm.
Because जब वो comfortable होंगे, because these kids, especially teenage kids, they are very quick to see what the demeanor of their parents is. वो पहले दिख जाएगा कि ये resistant है या उनको बात नहीं
Right.
करनी है पर कर रहे हैं. So the parents have to get comfortable. They
एक
have
बात
to learn
बताओ,
about
sorry
it.
cutting you off. This thought is coming to my mind.
Yeah.
Even when parents are when the parents are very hesitant about showing the physical affection for each other
Hmm.
in terms of their children, that also causes an impact. Like even just hugging
Yeah.
or kissing on the forehead,
Yeah.
very cute thing that you can do with your with your partner in front of your children.
Yeah.
But when a child sees their parents hiding that also, hesitating from that very feeling also, then it creates more pressure for the child that, ये तो इतना hesitate कर रहे हैं, मैं ये चीज़ कैसे बताऊं?
So you know what? There's a line in psychology. It has been debated a lot.
Mhm.
So, but it still exists. The line is that men always look for their mothers in their girls,
Yes.
and girls always look for their fathers in their boys.
True.
Freud.
Freud, yeah. So Freud is very
Sigmund
debated,
Freud,
right?
yeah.
Like, some people will
This
like
is
some will not. But
Oedipus
the thought-
Oedipus complex.
the thought still exists out there.
Yeah.
Mm.
And for people who may not be able to differentiate or go into the context of the thought, they will take it verbatim.
Yeah.
Right.
यही है, हमको ऐसा ही होता होगा. What happens is when they don't see that love in their household, any form of love, even low standard,
Yeah.
is enough for them.
Correct.
But when they see that their parents are respectful towards each other,
Right.
the parents have a certain form of love, not just towards the child as well,
Right.
their standards will be very high.
Very high. True.
True.
When they're devoid of love, anything works.
Very important point.
Absolutely.
Very important point. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, so I've actually lost.
Erection,
Yeah,
yeah.
erections. So when they talk about erections, they have, because something that we have seen in young boys, especially during my internship days, जब urology की posting होती थी. Urology is like gynaes dealing with the reproductive organs of the women. Urology is dealing with the
Men.
reproductive of
Men.
men, right? And it's not a subject. आप gynae के बाद you do urology
Mm.
as a specialization, या surgery
Okay.
के बाद.
Right.
So a lot of times it happens that young boys are not taught how to clean their penises
Right.
because parents को वही बताने में दिक्कत होती है. So then there's a lot of bacterial buildup, smegma is what we call it. So जब वही नहीं बता पा रहे तो erection तक तो कैसे पहुंचेंगे? So it starts there. You don't treat it as a different body part.
Mm.
You treat it as a part of a body. Yes, you do mention that this is something that's a private body part. हमने बचपन से 6-7 पे बताना
Correct.
शुरू कर दिया है.
Correct.
So now you can actually talk to them.
Right.
Okay, what are the changes? अब तुम puberty में आ रहे हो, you will see certain changes happening. Like for girls, the size of breasts might increase. क्रैम्प्स आएंगे, एब्डोमिनल पेन होगा, स्पॉटिंग होगी, ब्लीडिंग होगी, डरना नहीं है.
True.
गाइस को इरेक्शंस आएंगे, डिस्चार्ज हो सकता है. अब रात में सो रहे हो, नाइट फॉल हो जाएगा, एंड इट्स कंप्लीटली नॉर्मल. इट्स इनवॉलंटरी एंड इट डजंट मीन एनीथिंग. इट्स जस्ट द बॉडीज वे ऑफ, जैसे हम स्वेट करते हैं, बॉडी पुशेस आउट टॉक्सिन्स.
Right.
नाइटफॉल इज अ वे ऑफ बॉडीज वे ऑफ पुशिंग आउट ओल्ड स्पर्म्स, ताकि नए के लिए जगह मिले.
Yeah.
स्पर्म्स रोज बनते हैं,
Yeah.
Right.
राइट. सो बट जब वो सुबह उठेंगे, दिल से ये स्टेन, वो डर जाएंगे कि अरे मम्मी क्या सोचेगी, पापा क्या सोचेंगे,
Correct.
मैंने क्या किया है,
Correct.
राइट. तो वो डर हटाना, एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द इरेक्शन, आई थिंक विल जस्ट मेक इट मच मोर ईजियर. एंड जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ टू क्लीन योर पीनिसेस, उतना ही बताना शुरू करोगे तो अपने आप बात वहाँ तक आ जाएगी.
When you start off from hygiene, it becomes
Yeah. So
much more simpler.
yeah, so we recommend that whenever these things happen, you always talk in medical terms. You
Yeah.
never use a slang. Because medical terms, वो कुछ search भी करेंगे medical term related. Chances are कि अगर वो पूरा sentence search करते हैं
Right.
कि how to clean my penis, तो material भी वैसा ही आएगा.
बराबर.
That's a very good point he said, that discuss on medical term, like
Right.
now this will make it easy, like a conversation जो हमको start कर रहा है ना. So this point I really like, that when I'm talking to my son, next thing I'll keep in mind is use that medical term and start talking. So that
Yeah.
will be like वो थोड़ा वहीं पे that thing will start, that meltdown will happen, we can have that conversation.
It
This is a
makes
very
it
good
easier for the
point.
parents also.
Right.
Because now the world might think these are dirty terms, but ये textbooks में है.
Correct.
Even 7th 8th जो बुक्स होती है, उसमें मेल जेनिटेलिया कोलन लगा के पीनस लिखा होता है.
Right. Right.
True, true, very
Very
तो वो स्कूल में भी सीखते हैं, बट
सीखते
उनकी
हैं.
टीचर्स ही स्किप कर देते हैं चैप्टर, तो वो पढ़ ही नहीं पाते कभी.
Right.
Right.
How can parents and teachers collaborate to make sex education a normal
Yeah, I think
part of study?
parents and teachers as a part of the society are the same people, because teachers are also parents. So they have to know that जब स्कूल में सिखा रहे हैं तो they should teach them as they're teaching their own kids. And parents outside जो भेज रहे हैं बच्चों को, they should, because they're also now teaching,
Right.
they should be comfortable with what their child is learning, and the child should be able to come back and talk about it.
Correct.
अगर पेरेंट्स का ही रेजिस्टेंस है अगेंस्ट टीचिंग सेक्स एड इन स्कूल्स, तो टीचर्स क्यों इंटरेस्ट लेंगे? बिकॉज अभी उनका बच्चा सेम स्कूल में नहीं जाता, दूसरे स्कूल में जाता होगा. तो बाकी पेरेंट्स कर रहे हैं रेजिस्ट, दे विल ऑल्सो गो टू दैट स्कूल एंड से कि हम यहाँ मत सिखाओ. तो वो ना वहाँ सिखाएंगे दूसरे बच्चों को, ना अपने बच्चों को दूसरे स्कूल में सीखने देंगे. सो दैट विशियस सर्कल विल कीप ऑन गोइंग, कि पेरेंट्स मना कर रहे हैं, टीचर्स ही पेरेंट्स है, वो खुद भी मना कर रहे हैं,
Right.
तो सीख कौन रहा है?
And I think even as parents, we should not assume कि स्कूल में तो बच्चे ये सीख ही लेंगे. It is natural.
Yeah.
That's the most common thing what we get to hear from a lot of
Yeah.
parents. ये तो बच्चा वैसे भी सीख लेगा. So we cannot assume, because उसका channelizing सही तरीके से होना, as you
होना
guided,
चाहिए.
that is very important.
It's just like if you treat it as like a subject,
Right.
then there's no problem.
Exactly.
It just becomes normal.
What do you think should be the basic itinerary or the basic syllabus, mental syllabus that a parent should have to teach their children? Let's suppose the age is 10.
I think for 10, it's already discussed that
Let's
digital- हाँ.
jargonify it so that we talk
Yeah.
in medical terms also.
So first, though, how to use your phones. If you're on your phones, if you have someone, if you like someone, things you have to take care of, things you don't have to do, things you have to do. Second, now unsafe touches and all will now turn into consent. Then respecting the diversity. कि changes उनमें भी हो रहे हैं, changes तुम्हें भी हो रहे हैं.
True.
You cannot call someone out on their changes.
Right.
You cannot bully someone out on their changes. And if somebody bullies you, then you should fall back to someone you trust and comfortable with, and then take action. But the action shouldn't be antagonizing to the other kid. Because वो क्यों कर रहा है bully? वो भी सोचना जरूरी है. Because he's insecure, he's going through something at his house or her house. तो वो भी understand करना है. So you don't talk to the kid, you talk to the parent. Even if they don't understand, then talk to the institution, and then it goes a different route.
Yeah.
So these are things that at 9 to 11, 12 years of age is ज़रूरी है.
Got it. Do you guys have any specific questions to ask Prateek?
I would like to know that, see, today's alpha generation, They are very smart.
We are way smarter than all of us.
Exactly. So a lot of times we parents feel that अब हम इस topic को introduce कर रहे हैं, maybe already awareness है, right? So how do we raise kids handling their intellectual level and emotionally also? Most of the part you have covered it, but still anything specific.
See, I'll give a very subjective answer because I don't have kids. But awareness,
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
doctors are the biggest hypocrites.
You're the enabler.
Yeah. But I think सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि जितनी अवेयरनेस उनको सोशल मीडिया पे मिल रही है उतनी मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन ज़्यादा ही मिल रही है. मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन गोज वायरल फर्स्ट.
Correct.
True, very true.
सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स यू डोंट गो विद द आइडिया कि इसको शायद पता होगा. आप अपनी बेसिक से शुरू करो
Okay.
ताकि वो भी सोचे कि अच्छा ये भी मुझे वो वाला पार्ट बता रही है जो मैंने इस 2 साल पहले शायद सुन लिया होगा, पर सुन
Got
लेता हूँ, क्या
it.
बोलूँ, मैं भी कुछ ऐड कर दूंगा.
Got it.
जैसे ही वो कॉन्वर्सेशन होना शुरू होती है ना, इट कैन गो इनटू अ पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन.
Right. Okay. Interesting.
Do you have any question specific?
No, most of my queries were answered. Like you were already asking him. In fact, I have a suggestion. The books that you were saying, आपने जो 2 books बीच में
हाँ.
बोली थी, and the link for one site.
या
I rather want you to post that when you post this podcast. So a lot of parents want this kind of information. It is easy for us.
Yeah, we'll definitely post the links and
हाँ.
everything.
या ऑफ कोर्स.
More questions popping, but I think they're going in different directions. I'll just stick to teachers now because what schools teach stay with you even when you get to home, and those are the extensions of the things that you taught, you were taught in the school. कि अगर टीचर ने मुझे ये बताया
या
तो ये पर्सपेक्टिव लेके मैं घर जा रहा हूँ और उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से मैं पूरी दुनिया देखूंगा. पियर्स और उनका पार्ट, उनका रोल, उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज मेरे इसमें भी वही सीन था. द वे माई फ्रेंड्स टोल्ड मी अबाउट इरेक्शन, अबाउट मास्टरबेशन एंड एवरीथिंग, आई केप्ट दैट विद मी फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड आई कैरिड इट फॉरवर्ड टू माई engineering and MBA college, which was just unfathomable. How do you not fall prey to what your friends have to say about the first experience of masturbation?
See, I think falling prey is inevitable. It will happen to every kid at some point of time, even if it's not sex ed, even if it's something else, even if it's doing something which is not right, कि चल उसको आज पीट के आते हैं या उसे कांच तोड़ देते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही होगा. Something will happen. In this case, we are talking about sex, masturbation, right? They will, of course, fall prey to it. The thing is, are they aware enough to know कि अगर ये करना सही है, करने में there's nothing wrong with masturbation. It's absolutely normal. But what is the intention behind doing it? What is the context behind doing it? Right? So वो अवेयरनेस अगर होगी उनमें, अगर वो उनको स्कूल में सिखाया होगा या घर पे सिखाया होगा, तो उनका माइंड गोइंग इनटू इट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड रहेगा कि मेरे दोस्त ये बोल रहे हैं, बट उनका खुद का जो दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड ना, चॉइस होगा उनके पास. अगर पता होगा तो दे विल हैव द चॉइस टू मेक द राइट डिसीजन और द रॉन्ग डिसीजन. बट अगर पता ही नहीं होगा तो चॉइस नहीं है. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दे विल डू. सो जस्ट हैविंग दैट चॉइस आल्सो मेक्स देम इंट्रोस्पेक्ट. हाउ मच दे हैव लर्नड उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है. कितने कंफर्टेबली सीखा है, कितना एक्टिवली सीखा है उन्होंने इस बारे में, मास्टरबेशन के बारे में, बॉडी की चेंजेस के बारे में, प्यूबर्टी के टाइम क्या होता है, वाई इजैकुलेशन इज़ ओके, वाई इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग. अगर वो रॉन्ग बोलेंगे तो इजैकुलेशन से असिस्टेड जो गिल्ट आता है लोगों को, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ गिल्ट अटैच्ड. सम पीपल फेस गिल्ट आफ्टर मास्टरबेशन.
Right.
Yeah.
सो वो गिल्ट भी इसलिए आता है बिकॉज दे थिंक इट्स अ सिन.
It's a wrong thing.
Yeah, well, it's completely. If you don't do it, your body will do it through nightfall.
Correct.
Correct.
Like, body will anyway ejaculate it out. And doing it, no matter what your source is, I obviously do feel that, using videos as a source is not helpful because those are the expectations you end up building when you have a partner.
Right.
So just separating the right from wrong is good enough. ज़्यादा तुम उस एज पे तुम ज़्यादा सोच भी नहीं सकते. बट नोइंग कि मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ सही कर रहा हूँ इज़ गुड इनफ. The act is okay. Why you are doing the act is the differentiating factor.
The context.
Yeah, the context to it.
Okay. I have one more question. Okay. What if the child comes up with a specific question
Yeah.
which you're, as a parent, we're not able to answer at that moment?
Okay.
How do we handle that situation?
Can you give me an idea what the specific question could be?
Oh,
Because ऐसे तो
yeah.
बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं.
So we had this case of a parent. The child again had been in the age group of 11 to 12 in the preteens, and the child had seen some videos on OTT platforms apparently, and it was more like a soft porn scene where the child came up and asked his mother directly, and the mother had approached us and how do we handle it?
Yeah.
Wherein the child asked that how are babies born, or is it always the first time when you have sex that's when usually women get pregnant? So the lady was a little taken aback that without having the primitive conversation directly, my son is talking about the later stage. This also happens.
Wow.
Yeah,
So,
that is a very good question, and the way to tackle it is, from what I get from this story, they didn't tackle it when the child came to them.
correct,
They
absolutely.
first came to you.
Yeah,
तो वो बफर बन गया.
correct.
अब उस बच्चे ने अपना सोच लिया है.
Mm,
They have already formed the story.
right.
They must have also gone back and seen
Yeah.
seen the scene again और सब कर लिया होगा. But जो भी है, it's when these things happen, you have to address it. अगर वो पूछते हैं कि how do babies are born, तो that's why we recommend using medical terms, because अब तुम उनको explain कर सकते हो,
Mm,
and
True.
nothing about it would be vulgar,
right.
because the explanation would be कि जब हम menstruation तुमको बताया था, लड़कों लड़कियों को दोनों को बताना होता है menstruation, तो हमने बताया था कि menstruation क्यों होता है. It's when the ovary releases one egg
Correct.
in the hopes that uterus will become pregnant.
Pregnant.
Preparations होती है. Pregnant नहीं होगा तो preparations निकल जाएगी.
Right.
है ना?
Right.
That's your period.
Mm,
Simple. Pregnancy क्यों हुई? Because the sperm was also there, and the uterus was prepared to have that pregnancy.
right.
The egg was fertilized by the sperm. Pregnancy हो गई. Very simple. Nothing vulgar.
Mm,
अगर उतना बता दो, they will have an idea.
right.
As far as the scene goes, there's only so much that you can control on platforms.
Yeah.
Parental control कुछ भी डालोगे,
Yeah.
like you said in the beginning के cartoons भी double meaning होते हैं.
Yes.
तो
बहुत.
वो exposure तो आना ही है.
Right.
उसको रोको मत, because उसको रोक भी सकते भी नहीं हो.
Mm,
But what you can do is, if they come and talk about it, you can discuss it. You can take the topic in a direction where it's now more informative than vulgar.
okay.
Can we dig deeper into this? Because there were a lot of parents keep on DMing me
Yeah.
and mailing me about the problems that they face when it comes to conditioning. Three major problems. One is the screen addiction.
Yeah.
Second is inculcating different forms of readings and to make them feel very proficient in any category.
Yeah.
Third is porn. And I'm not talking about the age of even 17, 18. It's the age of 9, 10.
हाँ, जब हाथ में फोन आ जाता है तो
हाथ
सबसे
में
पहले
phone आ
दोस्त यही
जाता है.
बातें करते हैं.
There are kids who consume porn at the age of 8, 9, 10. How do we tackle that? Because I think this is the most effed up situation ever.
So at that age जब phone देते हैं, I think I got my first phone when I finished 12th and I was going to a college. तब मेरे को फ़ोन दिया था. तो अभी जनरेशन हैज़ चेंज. यू स्कूल के सारे कोर्सेज फ़ोन्स पे होते हैं, उनके लेक्चर्स आईपैड पे होते हैं, लैपटॉप्स पे होते हैं, तो वो एक्सेस तो रहेगा. बट यू कैन पुट पेरेंटल कंट्रोल्स. Controls will limit something. So now you have to actively also give them limited screen time and promote more outdoor activities.
Right.
Right.
Very true.
Promote more socializing rather than sitting in their rooms and browsing internet. So a lot of ophthalmo doctors and the groups that exist, the studies also say that up till 6 years of age or 5 years of age, you should not give any screen time to the kids.
Correct.
Correct.
I think there was a recent study published in Sweden, if I'm not wrong, but Sweden, one of the Scandinavian countries, they were like कि 4 साल 5 साल तक तो स्क्रीन टाइम देना ही नहीं है बच्चों को. इवन द ब्रिटिश ऑफ्थेल्मिक सोसाइटी और ग्रुप दैट एग्जिस्ट, वो भी यही बोलते हैं. सो यू लिमिट द स्क्रीन टाइम एंड देन यू गिव देम स्क्रीन टाइम इन ब्रेक्स. At 9 or 10, you cannot give complete access of phones or iPads to your
Absolutely,
children.
right.
It has to be supervised. It has to
Right.
be in your presence.
Very true.
Very true.
If they have it on, तो कुछ भी करेंगे फिर. Then you cannot
This is-
control it.
I think that is in the realms of controlling.
Yeah, not
What-
controlling, but they are conditioned in a manner that this conditioning is not negative because they already know कि हमको 2 घंटा मिलता था, अभी 3 घंटा मिल
Yeah.
रहा है. बड़े होंगे तो और टाइम मिलेगा.
Yeah.
Because you also have to control कुछ तो aspects of their lives, right? By the time you give them the option to go and explore their life as they want to, you would want that they have as much information as they
Yeah.
can have.
Correct.
Correct.
सब retain नहीं करेंगे, but at least उनको
Even if
idea
they
तो
get
रहेगा.
20% of the information that you've shared, it will work for them.
No,
Yeah.
what I mean by that, like, that is about how you know, put restrictions on consuming that information, right? That video or whatever that is, right? What about once the kid has consumed?
Yeah.
After that, there are a lot of psychological impacts.
See, the psychological impact will happen, but it'll happen more if the kid has no idea what's happening. Because now the inquisitive nature of the kids would be to look for more things, look for more videos like this. Talk to their friends कि अच्छा वैसा वीडियो और है क्या. But अगर उनको पता है, उन्होंने ये सब सुन रखा है घर पे ही कि oh this is sexual intercourse, this is coitus. These are medical terms, right? This is not
Right.
sex. The sexual intercourse, coitus, you know, this is what happens when people grow. These are how relationships work. They will not view it with the lens of inquisitiveness, but they will also view it with the lens of कि हाँ हमने पढ़ा है and this looks different from what my parents tell me. तो वो that divide in their mind will help them make a better choice. It's not necessary that they will make a better choice, but at least they will have that doubt.
Right.
And when you talk to them more frequently going forward, because now you're not stopping, no, अभी 11-12 साल में आपने बंद तो नहीं कर दी एजुकेशन, आप
Yeah.
सिखाए जा रहे हो,
बराबर.
तो वो उनका माइंडसेट विल शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स अ पॉजिटिव साइड कि हाँ, बिकॉज वो एक्सपोजर आता रहेगा. लाइक आई एम श्योर फ्रेंड्स विल सेंड देम, दे विल आल्सो गूगल इट देमसेल्व्स, बट दे विल ऑलवेज हैव दैट वो डाइकोटमी इन देयर थिंकिंग कि यहाँ पे ये है, दिस व्हाट आई एम लर्निंग, दिस व्हाट इज पोर्ट्रेड. And as they grow, they will make the choice for themselves that okay, this is not what actually happens, because जितना मैंने सीखा है, जितना मैंने relationships में देखा है in real life, it's very different from what's happening.
Got it.
So there was a very big movement that started, NoFap movement. Started back in 2011. The idea of the NoFap movement was to tackle porn addiction.
Okay.
Okay.
By the time now there are a lot of people who say that masturbation is bad. तो जिन लोगों ने ये मूवमेंट बनाया था porn addiction के लिए, to tackle porn addiction, even they were surprised कि how this movement became about stopping masturbation. Because people का instant connection was कि masturbate तो porn देख के ही होता है.
बराबर. हाँ.
You know,
That
like
was-
people read, people imagine, वो सब चला गया.
Right,
कि masturbation तो इसी से होता है, तो masturbation बंद करो.
Oh.
Porn addiction तो गायब ही हो गया.
I think no porn would have been a better moment.
Yeah, so they, and it was started as a joke
Yeah.
to stop porn addiction. वो after some time they're like the joke is on us.
Yeah. And then No Nut November and
Yeah,
all of that came
so all
about.
of these things happen. This all happens because अभी जो society है, they are not really aware. काफी लोग aware हैं, but compared to the people जो नहीं aware है, it's like a drop in the ocean.
Yeah.
It was very surprising when my son was in first grade. One incident had happened where a group of boys were bullying another child who
Yeah.
was more of an introvert, shy. And apparently, they made that child say, I love you to one of their classmates, a female. Okay. And this child, out of embarrassment, and then, you know, that typically, usually in our generation, we have seen that in college days, that if you don't have a girlfriend, that means you're out of the group. So, grade 1 kids addressing to the child that I'm going to have 4 to 5 girlfriends and you will not have a single one. It's better you say, I love you to the other person right now. It was very traumatizing. Of
Yeah.
course, the counselor and all was involved into the whole process. But I think, what would you suggest to parents where we've seen a lot of cases where parents, when they go to watch adult movies, they carry their kids along from the age
That's
group of
just
3
Wow.
and 4 also.
Should
Yes.
not do
Does that happen?
It does.
Wow.
Very much.
I mean, the rules on that are pretty strict by a lot of societies with their studies that, you know, anything that is loud, anything that has a lot of violence, anything that has a lot of, you know, adult material, be it sex, be it soft porn, whatever, your child should not be exposed to it till a certain age group,
Right.
you know. So I think that is just, you should never do that.
Exactly, because when we interact with parents, they are very casual, and usually the response
Yeah.
we get is घर पे बच्चे को देखने के लिए कोई नहीं है, and then those kids are also dancing on the same item song,
Yeah.
the same dance movement. So the exposure is so fast in their case, and accordingly, I think the body changes also happens
So
at a very
the
primitive stage.
kids are more impressionable than adults because right now their brain is like a sponge.
Right.
Right.
They will absorb everything that is shown to them or taught to them. So if these are the stimulus that they are receiving, that's what they'll be learning. That's what they'll be talking about with their friends. And these young kids will talk more openly with their friends.
Exactly.
And you'll see, even just walking down the road, you'll see kids, they'll be like saying something like this one.
Right.
You know, they'll be hurling abuses at each other.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, we doing it at our age is okay. But kids coming up
Yeah.
with more creative abuses.
Oh,
is like,
you'll be surprised the kind of kids I
Yeah,
meet.
Yeah, true.
That
They
it
lose-
surprises you because that's the environment that they're
Yeah.
growing in, and that's what they have picked up, and they pick up quicker than us.
Yes.
I think that is where like the education plays a big
Yeah.
role when the things at home are screwed up.
Yeah.
That is where the education system comes into the picture, and I feel I blatantly support the idea of having counselors in every school. I know it's like something that people are still against.
No, I think
No, now
counselors
school
should exist, but
supports.
also like you have to check the aptitude of the counselor because
Yeah, of course.
the problem
yeah.
right now is not teaching kids. The problem right now is teaching the adults.
Yeah,
Yes.
If they don't know, बच्चों को तो क्या ही सिखाने वाले हैं?
सही बात.
Absolutely.
Can we dig deeper into the point that she mentioned about how item songs play
Yeah,
a big role in influencing children?
I mean, it's the whole ideology of objectifying women and the patriarchal society supporting it.
Right.
Right.
So that's like you're doubling down on the same mentality over and over again, and it happens very like it's so deeply rooted that we don't think it's wrong. It's considered normal. You know, even in cartoons there will be joke like women belong in the kitchen.
Correct.
तो वो उसने सुन लिया है,
Correct.
वो उसने मूवीज में देख लिया है, टीवी में देख लिया है, वो तो लाइक हाँ यही होता होगा, you know.
Right.
So
In
so
fact,
we're doubling down on the same things, and the society will keep on doing it.
right. So in fact, we've seen parents encouraging their kids who have just learned to speak, age group of like 2.5, 3 onwards. Very famous dialogue of Pushpa movie. They really encourage, they applaud that okay, my son has made the action or my daughter has made the action and said the dialogue. But then what is getting registered as a
Yeah,
joke?
they are perceiving it in a different manner.
Exactly.
We are perceiving it in a different manner because we know the right and the wrong.
Correct.
They
Correct.
don't.
Right.
For them it's all जो हो रहा है वो ही हो रहा है.
So I think parents, we all have to go back to school.
I think yeah.
I think you should never stop being a learner. That is
Yeah,
the
yeah,
only
yeah.
way to go.
Absolutely.
And that is where we all struggle. If you are not a curious parent, you cannot expect your child to ask the right or wrong questions.
Yeah.
And I want to end this topic with something that dangerously all of these conversations and negative aspects of it leads to this, which is sexual harassment and the rape culture. We see this in news and creators talking about the fact that like I wish this person who did this rapist, I hope somebody made sense to him in the childhood.
Yeah.
I wish he was taught.
Yeah.
I wish his inner child, I wish when he was 10, 15, he knew the boundaries of bodies. What do you think about this and what we can do right now as parents?
I have a slightly different opinion on this from you. See, of course, it has happened because the learning and the conditioning wasn't there, and what they had learned was something else. What they had seen in the videos was something else. The titles of the videos are such that your stepmom, your step bro, whatever. So you keep thinking, हाँ तो किसी के साथ भी कर सकते हैं,
Correct.
and that's the only thing that they've learned. They don't have an idea of sex ed. They don't have an idea. But right now, what I feel, while sex ed should be implemented at a larger scale to teach adults and then to kids, I think the first step at this point is punishment. Because first you have to scare people to not do this. सिखाने में time जाएगा. ये 10 साल में भी नहीं होगा, 20 साल में भी नहीं होगा. It will take a long time because patriarchy has been rooted in our systems, in our brains for thousands of years. तो ये 10 साल में तो नहीं सीख पाएंगे.
नहीं
Right.
सीख पाएंगे.
Very true.
So while you are teaching them, at least the adults who are committing these acts should have fear, because वो fear नहीं है अभी. So the role of punishment right now, of course, like everything has to be first, like solidified कि हाँ भाई, this is the person that we have to punish. You cannot punish an innocent person. That is always there. But the time right now is to punish. Educating background में चलती रहेगी. That it's not something that you do after punishment. वो तो that you have to implement in your daily lives either way. Schools have to do it. Universities have to do it. Parents have to do it.
Right.
Right.
But you have to instill some fear for people to stop themselves from committing these acts, because that will work much quicker.
Absolutely.
I am on the same page with him. I think yes, that's the most correct thing to do.
Yeah, because अभी लोगों को डर नहीं है ना.
In fact, the recent West Bengal case, it was
Oh,
so
yeah.
much on the social media that I remember my son came up to me and he asked me what is the meaning of rape, and the discussion that the friends
Yeah.
have had. And the next question was the culprit, what was he penalized, was he punished or no? So yes, so somewhere that fear is very important in society at
Yeah.
large. They should be aware of.
Beautiful. I think we have pretty much covered everything. The educational part, the psychological
Yeah.
part, the pathological part is something which is way too technical, but maybe we can decode it sometime else when we are ready to understand, okay, the kids have grown up and now we
Yeah.
can have them now.
Maybe even I'll learn something new till then.
Do you guys have any questions about parenting, about anything that you want to ask him?
Parenting में मत पूछना. I'm not an
Parenting as
expert
in
in
like
parenting.
in this category.
Yeah.
in
I think
terms of sex
parenting पे
education.
मैं पूछूंगा.
Parental
कभी
sex
बच्चे होंगे.
education. Parental sex education.
Oh, I think you have covered up all the important aspects at this early stage, the primitive stage at least. I think we should break the barrier and
Yeah.
have an open conversation, and you've covered up most of the questions
Yeah.
very
And
well.
my ideas or my thought processes comes from the literature or material that I've read.
Right.
Your processes would come from the lived experiences.
Exactly.
So literature जो बोलता है वो बोलता है, but
बोलता है.
उसको tweak करके अपने में कैसे use करना है, that we
Correct.
have to learn from the parents
Parents.
only.
Correct. And I think storytelling is a great form.
Oh yeah, I think storytelling
Definitely.
is amazing. I think that's why a lot of these illustrations they really work,
Yes, yes.
because वो words भी वही use करते हैं जो हम शर्माते हैं use करने से,
Right.
but वो depiction ऐसा होता है कि वो friendly लगता है.
Friendly
Yeah.
लगता है.
You become a part of a different reality.
Right. Right.
You have any questions, Natasha?
No, he has covered most of that. And in fact, what I learned from that is like, you need to normalize. This can't be done in a day. Every day we need to create that kind of environment and make it, like he said, medical terms. We have to keep this habit on a regular base. अचानक एक दिन मैं नहीं decide कर सकती हूँ, I'll sit with my son and I'll have this conversation. No, I have to make this normalized for him. So most of the topics have been covered in a very beautiful manner. Thank you.
so much. Thank you.
Really
One
appreciate
last
it.
question for all of you guys. Like, suppose I give you the credibility to start one nationwide campaign about sex education. What will be it about, and what would be the tagline?
I think one tagline तो पता नहीं, but the one thing that is already going on is the HPV vaccination. वो बच्चों को लगना चाहिए, 9 years से शुरू हो जाना चाहिए. That is already going on, which is great.
Oh yeah,
but,
can you discuss something about that, like about HPV vaccine to all the parents who don't know
Yeah.
much about it?
So I mean, there's a vaccination schedule. Injections लेंगे, उसमें HPV
Right.
नहीं होता है,
Hmm.
right? But now the government is making this that HPV vaccine, because बाहर है that ages 9 पे start होना चाहिए. Ideally before your first sexual encounter, because HPV के बहुत strains हैं.
Okay.
But 3 strains या 2 strains ऐसे हैं जो cervical cancer करते हैं.
Okay.
So उनके against 9 और 18 के against तो vaccine है.
Mhm.
Plus there are 2 more strains. So the vaccines भी different तरीके आती हैं. There's a quadrivalent which will target 4 strains.
Okay.
There's
Okay.
a nonovalent which will target 9
Nine.
strains. But these are strains which cause common infections.
Mhm.
Everybody in the reproductive age group who has had sex, everyone in this room has been exposed to HPV. 100%. The only thing is body fights HPV very nicely. But ये जो 4-5 strains हैं, some cause genital warts, some cause cervical cancer. 2 strains in particular cause cervical cancer.
Okay.
Right.
Vaccine is important. Even if you're now sexually active under the age of 45, talk to your doctor, get a vaccine, because cervical cancer is the only preventable cancer by a vaccine, and it's also one of the most rampant cancers in India right now,
True.
in women specifically. Men ko bhi hota hai,
Right.
women ko bhi hota hai, but everybody in that age group should get the vaccine.
Beautiful. Yeah, your campaign.
Yeah, I think I there was a campaign, no, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. I think वो छोड़ो, माँ बाप को पढ़ाओ. वो चलने दो, माँ बाप को पढ़ाओ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I second that. I second that.
I know, agree to what he said
Yeah, if you have to start a campaign by yourself, what would it be about?
about I'll take time. Let her speak on it. I'll tell you about it.
That's a good campaign. Take your time.
See how creative influencers think.
I know, that was very quick.
Yeah. I think I'll go back to the basics in the whole conversation that parents going back to school, as we say,
Yeah.
back to school.
Don't steal
usually
my
when-
campaign, no.
Yeah.
Copyright.
Copyright. That's also what content creators.
But I think that's essential. More than kids, parents
Yeah,
really have to
Parents
be
have to learn.
educated. Yeah.
And I think like I would say it's nothing serious, yaar. It's a nice campaign.
Yeah.
It should be a part of your once a week have a dinner table conversation. I would do it to my child. I'm pretty sure. I hope that it happens. A lot of what we discussed right now is something I want to manifest in my relationships, in the way that I will see myself as a parent.
Yeah.
If you are a Gen Z or you're a millennial or a boomer who's watching this video, or if you're going to become a parent, I hope you have learned new things that you might have not. And to all the parents who are trying their best to educate their children but are not finding the right path to guide their children in the right direction, it's not too late, it's not too early also. You're just one conversation away
Yeah.
from making that change, so that the ripple effect will happen not just within your family but across so many families that you might have not even met in your life. So I think be your own change maker, which will make a better impact in your life and then to others. Thank you, Prateek, for being a part of this conversation.
Thank you for having me. And I think it was a great conversation, because for me it's all textbook, but listening from you, I think it just opens up a lot of horizons, which I in my life cannot do that right now. But yeah, I mean, it will definitely help.
Will sure manifest very soon.
No, thank you.
No, but you'll need practical knowledge now, so of course you need to manifest it. Just this knowledge is not going to help. Practical knowledge will help you to give a better workshop, I'm telling you.
That's why doctors are the biggest hypocrites.
We don't preach what we say.
Yeah.
I think it was a lovely conversation that we had, and again we had to go back to textbooks. That's important. It's both the way, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So yes, and I would personally like to thank my parents for educating me on these topics at a very early stage when required, and thankfully that's what we are carrying forward for our kid as well as parents. So I think
Yeah.
every family should really adapt to it.
Yes, they should normalize it.
Yeah.
Yeah, use medical terms, normalize it, go back to your school, keep learning, and that's the way to go. Thank you so much for watching this podcast. I'll see you soon. Until next time,